I like the lemon cake and the loaded baked potato.
Who knew there were so many options when it comes to popcorn? Here at Oklahoma Gourmet Popcorn, DJ Bowles and his staff are popping up a good time. Buckets full of flavored popcorn, more than you could imagine. This store started as part of a project DJ's senior year in college. After some research, he decided the project could work as an actual business.
When I graduated, it was just an idea. I had no idea how to make popcorn.
That was 2.5 years ago. He's learned some lessons along the way, but his business has taken off.
The way, we were raised is I don't know, you can do anything until proven wrong, but you gotta try it.
In August 2016, he opened this location along 19th Street and more. A year later, he opened a second store in Edmond.
There's a lot to choose from.
At the moment, we have over 65 flavors. We have everything from butter to cheese coated to caramel coated to drizzled to chocolate to candy coated.
With so many flavors, it can be really hard to choose exactly which one you want to take home. That's why they offer free samples of as many as you'd like to try. Let's go with cinnamon.
My personal favorites are cinnamon bun and loaded baked potato and jalapeno cheddar. I could go on.
You can get the popcorn in a variety of bag sizes or in tins that range from 1 to 6.5 gallons. Some hold just one flavor, others hold multiple flavors. There are also options for special occasions.
And a lot of things we get to do are really happy. People come in here for Valentine's Day, for birthdays, for newborns, because we have, it just popped. There's a lot of punny things you can do with popcorn.
Besides popcorn, this shop also has a variety of nostalgic candies.
I got some candy that's older than I am, so I don't know the value of it sometimes, but we get some people, they're like, I haven't seen those since blah, 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 and then they tell me how they spent a nickel on it.
Beyond weddings and showers, DJ says they get a lot of requests for fundraisers and corporate gifts. And when it comes to all those flavors, his best advice is be adventurous. Flavors you may be afraid to try could quickly become your favorite. But you'll never know if you don't give it a try. In more, Shelley Mills, Discover Oklahoma.